Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study math effectively, step by step. First, focus on truly understanding the fundamental concepts. Don't just memorize, grasp the why behind each rule. If you're unsure about a topic, revisit it. A solid foundation makes future learning much easier. Think of it as building blocks. Each new concept relies on the ones before it. Next, consistent practice is crucial. Math is a skill, and like any skill, it improves with regular effort. Try to solve a variety of problems, from simple to more complex. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are valuable learning opportunities. Always review your work and understand where you went wrong. Aim for at least 30 minutes of practice each day. Regularly reviewing material helps solidify your knowledge. Set aside time each week to go over previous lessons. If you're stuck, don't hesitate to ask for help. Your teacher, classmates, or a tutor can provide valuable insights. Explaining concepts to others can also deepen your own understanding. Learning is a collaborative process. Finally, cultivate effective study habits. Find a quiet place where you can concentrate without interruptions. Break down your study sessions into manageable chunks, perhaps 25-minute intervals with short breaks. Stay organized and keep all your materials accessible. Remember, a positive mindset can significantly impact your learning journey. You can do it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.